So for the first article, the study examined how critical research theses, which are concise version of research article, make scientific research accessible to non-experts. Using qualitative discourse analysis and the reader of the research thesis published by the British Sociology Society, or BPS. The instrument used in the study is a discourse analysis framework especially based on Highlands. The finding that science journalists use engagement strategies like reader-oriented pronouns, question, and hyperlinks, along with stance marker, heads, or booster, to make expert knowledge accessible to general audience. Okay, we go to the second article. The study is conducted to determine whether online pragmatic treatment could enhance student pragmatic competence and to identify which procedure, explicit or implicit, are more effective. Using qualitative discourse analysis and 60 students from the three departments, math, physiology, and the computer science at a university in Pakistan. Journal findings of this research suggest that online implicit and explicit treatment can enhance learner pragmatic development.
So the third one is the article by Janet and Laura on 2023. So the entitled "On the Fringe of Metaphor Using Ambiguously Figurative Fake Language to Pragmatically Negotiate Sensitive Topics in the English as a Medium of Instruction Classroom." So this article explores how ambiguously figurative and folk language is used in English medium classroom to discuss sensitive topics, and through qualitative discourse analysis of recorded classroom interactions, the study highlight how metaphors and fact expressions such as kind of or sort of, and this help maintain respectful and open discussions, and this language style allows participants to balance clarity and sensitivity, especially on complex issues like immigration or cultural differences. And by softening communication, such phrases encourage flexible and thoughtful dialogue. It can be avoiding discomfort or conflict.
Article number 4, entitled "The Methodological Model for the Formation of Future English Teachers' Pragmatic Competence Based on Web 2.0 Technologies," aim to develop a model to enhance future English teacher pragmatic competence using Web 2.0 technologies, involving B1 level participants from Karaganda Buketov University. The study found that the interactive multimodal learning improved their ability to produce contextual appropriate statements.
So the fifth article by Erika Market on 2024, Teaching Pragmatics to Instructors of L2 Japanese, a relevant theoretic approach. So the study aimed to assess the knowledge of pragmatics among pre-service and in-service instructor of L2 Japanese using a pre-test and post-test design within a 3-hour professional development course. And the finding revealed that after participating in the CPD course and focus group discussions, the majority of instructors displayed an increased understanding of what pragmatic is and an increased awareness of the benefits of incorporating some elements of pragmatic teaching into their current practices. So the sixth article is Elena Ivan Simkin on 2024, entitled "Assessment of Pragmatic Skills in Adults with ADHD." So this study examines how adults with ADHD manage social communication and focusing on how symptom severity impacts their language use. Using the APACS test and the WHO Adult ADHD Self-Reward Scale, participants performed tests like storytelling and understanding figurative language. And this finding reveals that adults with ADHD struggle with social language, especially those with severe symptoms. And the study emphasized that the importance of including language skills in ADHD diagnostic and developing improved clinical tools for assessment.
Article number 7, entitled "Exploring the Potential of Artificial Intelligence for Instruction and Pragmatics," assessed ChatGPT verse 3.5's effectiveness in teaching pragmatics through discourse complexions, text analyzing strategy use, and appropriateness with mixed methods.
Journals 8 is lecturer's perspective on the use of ChatGPT in English writing classes by Liza Rahmawati and Rizaldi Hanifa. The study aimed to figure out how English language and literature department lecturers' perspective on the use of ChatGPT in English writing classes using qualitative descriptive design and participation of English literature lecturers. Data in this journal collected using open-ended questionnaires and interviews. The findings show that English literature department have a positive perspective on the use of ChatGPT in writing classes. Number 9 is World English is in English Language Teaching or ELT by Ririn Suminar and Muhammad Hani Gunawan. This research aims to find out students' views on world Englishes in English language teaching in purpose to investigate the benefits and difficulties in learning English. 32 second-year students majoring in English in Indonesian universities are participating, while the transcribed data were analyzed using the thematic analysis method. The result of the study showed that most of the students had the same perceptions of world Englishes. They said that by studying world Englishes, they get some benefits. Article is entitled Technology Enhanced Language Learning and Pragmatics Insight from Digital Game-Based Pragmatic Instruction by Naoko Taguchi. Learning pragmatics involve learning linguistic forms and their communication functions as well as the context where the form-function relationships are realized. This research used quantitative method which involving Chinese learners of English. This lecture presents findings from the studies and concludes with future research directions on technology enhanced pragmatics learning.